welcome to another maybe exciting 5-minute auto pairing. I've had a bit of a late start here because I had a bit of a problem just now trying to record the area on the screen properly. Okay, but anyway, bit of a time odds game. D3, just trying to keep solid. Would he really take it? Just get the queens off? I mean, maybe. Play E5. Actually, D4 might be interesting. C3 maybe, and then D4. Looks okay. I've got F5 now. It's supported because I've supported E5. I think if my centre's not crumbling so easily, then F5 is coming here. So bishop E3 and then F5. F5. Okay, getting within 15 seconds. As well. Bishop E3. I don't know if F6 is pretty dangerous. If I take a knight G5. Let's take to get the queen to H5 soon. I know it's pretty crude, but knight G5, H6. I don't know. F takes the knight. Yeah. Knight G5 is pretty crude. There might actually be queen D3 on the rook and then F takes on the H7, or takes and then. Okay, he's giving up his dark square bishop. That can't be too hot, can it? Because now F6 looks pretty dangerous. Drop this back as knight E5. There's rook F4 here though. Maybe just rook F4. If H6, maybe I'll just take it and knight H5. H6, I wonder. I just take it in queen H5 actually. It looks a bit dangerous around this king. Rook H4 Hg, no. Queen H5, knight D4. Okay, F6, G6, knight H5 instead. Or F takes. What about F takes and then queen G4? That's quite concrete. It's protecting D4. It's hitting E6. It lets me double the rooks. I think it's pretty neat. Queen G4 here. Yeah, its king side's been slightly weakened without that pawn. So I'm going to try and double rooks and then maybe bishop H6. Oh, is that a spanner in the works? I play queen H5 here. There's still rook H4. I still want to double rooks. F3. He's got distance on the clock again, so I'm keeping his clock advantage as well. Let's factor that in. Although doubling rooks is scary, surely. Bishop E3 coming up. So bishop E3. So Queen G4 for Bishop D4. Queen G4 keeps an eye on. There's Knight E5, hang on a sec. Queen G5. Alright, okay, let's not get too far behind on the clock. Maybe. No, okay, a bit worrying. This one, my knight's holding F1. I'm going to play Queen F3 F7 soon. Queen F3 looks possible. Because Knight E5, Queen F8. That trebling seems dangerous. Rook F8 takes. Knight E5, Queen F8. I want to play something like Knight H5, maybe. This knight's not doing anything at the moment on G3. He immediately has to react to that. Yes, he does that. D4, scary. No, maybe I'll just take Knight E5, there's Queen G3 now. Let's see. I've caught up on the clock finally. That's reassuring. He's thinking here. Maybe something like H3 coming up. There's Rook C1. I think H3 and then Rook C1. I get to play Rook C1. Where's his Queen going? So something like Queen F7 takes Rook C8, almost. Although I like my travelling of pieces here. Queen G3 looks good. Also his last move. Isn't it just like Rook F7 or something? Rook F7. Knight F6 potentially. Knight F6 or Rook G7. You can play check and not Rook C1. I've got C1 covered. Oh, this looks very good. Also, the clock looks very good now. So Knight F6 here looks very dangerous.
Check.
For Queen G6 to threaten mate. It's got check, but I don't think it does much. King H2. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's have a look. So yeah, a bit of a time odds game. 45 seconds nearly. I think I'm okay here after F5. Queen H5 is giving us. Oh, hang on.
Check.
Alright. So Queen H5 was possible. It seems it's G6. Queen H6. It takes here. Rook F7, mate in 8. That's interesting.
Check. Check. Check.
Aha. Alright, so it seems as though Queen H5 has got some mileage here. P-sack was interesting. Oh, something better here. 92. Oh, what's this? Knight E4. What's that about? Wow. So you better have Queen E5. Okay. Bishop D4 is interesting. E5 black slightly better. Wow. Yeah, that looks like a big mistake. Weakening the king. H6. Yeah, it's often losing games. In most games I've noticed that people weaken their king fatally quite often. That looks like weakening G6 unnecessarily. That's all over. It's all over.
Check.
This is good as well. Yeah. Okay, yeah, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.